What's up, y'all? It's the mother freaking youngin, and y'all like my hair? Y'all like my hair? Yeah. So y'all, this unit is from ignore the Hellcats outside, but y'all, this unit is from Amazon, and it's for my back to school hair because school is literally tomorrow. School is tomorrow, and that's the vlog also on the way. Just so y'all know, school is tomorrow, and I just need to do my hair, of course. And my birthday is in a few weeks, 2 weeks, to be exact. Anyways, my birthday is in 2 weeks, so this is just something quick and easy I could do for the start of school. And I just want to record y'all and record it and show it to y'all. So if y'all like to see how I accomplished this style, keep watching. Okay. So y'all, this is the bag it came in. It came in like a waterproof type bag. It didn't come in a silk bag. It came in like a waterproof type bag. That's what the label said. Of course, it's the name of the wig. It's Amazon wig, of course. But yeah, it came with a pair of lashes. Y'all, them lashes is so ugly. Them lashes is so ugly. But I did kind of fix them. I'll probably wear them when I wear the unit for the first time. But other than that, it came with a wig cap, which I'll probably wear that one other than my other one, because the one I got was too light. And then here is the actual unit. Not gonna lie, y'all, I opened this wig before the video started because why not? But anyways, yeah, you can see the tag. Of course, I got a 20-inch 13x4, and it's in the color 1B. So here's the actual unit. The unit is actually 150 density, and for it to be 150 density, it's pretty thick. I can definitely tell you it's pretty thick. I wasn't the biggest fan of the lace. The lace is kind of light, so you know, of course, I'm gonna have to. I don't know if I want to bleach it yet. I might not. I'm not sure. But the wig was so soft, y'all. It is so soft. There ain't no tangles, but it is, and it's really soft and it's really full. Like I said, it's a 13x4. The knots are so tiny on this unit. Like, y'all would not even believe it. Knots are so tiny. So here I am putting it on a wig cap. And once again, I said I wasn't the biggest fan of this light lace, but it's okay. And like I said, these knots are so small. I need to do it closer so y'all can actually see this lace. Y'all see it when I'm plucking it. But yeah, the wig, y'all, that hairline was so bold. Like, I'm gonna have to pluck it. I'm gonna have to pluck it. But other than that, I really like the wig. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to T-pin the lace to the cap. So now that my T-pins are on the cap, y'all can see that the wig is so pretty. I can definitely say it's true to length, maybe a little longer actually. It is so pretty, y'all. Look how full it is. I'm definitely running my fingers through it, as you can see. But once the water and the mousse get on it, I feel like it's going to be so pretty and so full.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's how you someone do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Oh, feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Oh, feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? 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 Feel me, baby. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. No, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's how these someone do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby?
Yep. Oh, I look cute. I look cute.